world going mad for everything metaverse related, a lesson and project actually caught our eye. This started all the way back in 2011, but the Sandbox seems to be picking up exactly 10 years later. A 325% gain for their Sand token since October is also a very strong signal. So in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Sandbox, what the price movements are, who's invested already, and what you need to know before its big launch at the end of this month. Welcome back to Being Crypto. My name is Jessica, and guys, if you haven't yet already, subscribe. We're bringing these videos several times per week. Now let's get started. So Sandbox was actually launched back in 2011 by Pixowl, and the Sandbox is a blockchain-based virtual world that actually allows users to create, build, buy and sell digital assets in the form of a game. By combining the powers of decentralized autonomous organizations and NFTs, the Sandbox created this digital platform decentralized for a thriving gaming community. Now, according to the official white paper, the Sandbox platform's main mission is to introduce blockchain tech in mainstream gaming successfully. The platform really focuses on this play-to-earn model that we've all been talking about lately that allows users to be both creators and gamers at the same time. The Sandbox also employs the power of blockchain tech by introducing utility tokens called Sand, which facilitates the transactions on the platform. Now, the founding team is made up of Arthur Madrid, who's co-founder and CEO, and he's one of the driving forces behind the operation. And Sebastian Bourquet is also co-founder and COO. They founded it back in 2011, as I mentioned, but they've also been working continuously on other projects ever since. But with so many metaverse projects out there and picking up attention, why is Sandbox so unique? Well, it's actually introducing blockchain tech to the world of gaming, and the gaming industry is a huge untapped market when it comes to the adoption of blockchain tech. And Pixowl actually saw this all the way back in 2011, creating a universe where gamers can create and collect blockchain-based assets. The Sandbox aims to revolutionize the market. It makes a real niche for itself in the global market of gaming, even though there is many competitors nowadays. So by focusing on user-generated content, Sandbox actually creates a metaverse of involved players who really contribute to the platform's utility and introducing the Sand token. Sandbox promotes decentralized governance and also allows users to share their views and ideas about the development of projects. So thanks to this evolving technology, decentralized governance is becoming a must-have in blockchain-based products. The company started out with a bang and attracted support investments from some pretty big names in the industry. These include brands like Atari, Helix, even CryptoKitties, but that's not all. The latest one is SoftBank, and we're going to take a closer look at their investment right after we look at this parabolic chart. So token price, Sand has been on a meteoric rise in 2021, gaining over 8,000% over the last 12 months. And while the chart before October the 28th does show this incredible climb, we decided to focus on the price now at the time of recording around $4.14. There are several things that happened around this day, so make sure it's perhaps a combination that triggered this huge price rally. Some credit the hype after Facebook's metaverse and deciding to go all in on Meta. Others claim it was more about this multiple investments from Ubisoft and players will be able to play in the metaverse. Whatever the reasons are, the price went parabolic and gained over 300% in a week. It had a slight reversal and to try and break even higher at the time of this recording. We're going to talk a little bit more about looking ahead to November the 29th, when this sort of formal debut will happen. And you should definitely mark it in your calendar and watch out for the Sand token chart. So focusing a little bit more on those first days after the rally, we came across a really important investment from a very prominent fund. The Sandbox raised $93 million from investors led by SoftBank Vision Fund 2. Now, this latest fundraise came a little over a year after the first round. The company saw really fast growth in monthly active users and crossed $144 million transaction volume on the platform. This also marks Vision Fund 2's first investment in a company that issues its own cryptocurrency. This investment is going to help fuel the growth of Sandbox creators' economies as it expands from gaming into the likes of fashion, architecture, even virtual concerts. And Sebastian Bourquet, Chief Operating Officer, actually said in an interview, "We're creating this open metaverse. We're positioning the Sandbox against those giant tech companies. For those that are claiming metaverse to be theirs, offer an alternative where users are first." So Sandbox Alpha event is coming up, and this is what you need to mark in your calendar. It's opening up part of its metaverse to players for the first time via a multi-week play-to-earn alpha event. Only a handful of lucky players will get to enjoy the full experience, but it will allow them to monetize their time spent in the metaverse. They'll be able to purchase land and create NFTs within the game, earn sand by completing various quests and staking the token. So the event will start on November the 29th and will run until December 20th. A select group of just 5,000 users will have the chance to earn up to 1,000 sand and 3 exclusive NFTs via the time spent across the developed boxes. Now there'll be 3 exclusive NFTs that will only be available during this event, and these are kind of this medieval theme. We've got a blue and black dragon, a long sword, all available in the Sandbox metaverse. So if you do want to get your hands on the Alpha Pass NFT ticket that grants full access, there are 1,000 that are up for grabs on a raffle, over 2,000 that will be given out on social media platforms and contests over the next few days, and golden tickets will be available on OpenSea from 29th of November to December the 19th. And players with Alpha Pass will still be able to access the experiences and multi-layer gaming modes, but they actually won't be eligible for any of the play to earn rewards. Now, according to data from OpenSea, the floor price for the Sandbox NFTs still sit at around 1 Ethereum, worth around $4,200 at the time of this recording. So here's what we've covered so far and what you need to know moving forward. Some of the creations of Sandbox tools in beta mode have more than 30,000 active users each month. This virtual real estate land has more than 12,000 unique owners in the community. The total value of the virtual world exceeds $2 billion at the time of me bringing you this video, and there are more than 165 partners, including Snoop Dogg, The Walking Dead, Smurfs, even Care Bears owned land. Who would have thought? So this one looks like a winner right now, but what do you all think? Is it unique enough to keep growing, or will it lose its race with Roblox, Decentralized, and the future of Facebook projects? Let me know in the comments. And guys, if you are looking to get involved, you can buy VeChain, Cake, and other altcoins on Storm Game, which is Being Crypto's partner crypto exchange. The link is down in the description box below, and you may get a cashback promo on your very first deposit. That's all from me. See you all again very soon, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not already.